Gentlemen, 3 tips for you today. 1 tip, if you press record on the camera, it will record and then you can use that footage to help people on the internet. If you don't press record, you're talking to yourself. 2, if you're going to use a product in a video, turn the trigger, which normally is this way, around to this way and make the marketing people happy. So while you're using the product, chop, 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 you've got the product name in the video instead of like that. Haha! Number 3, while you have the wheel off the car, even though I have cleaned this, I know it doesn't look like it, but even though I have cleaned it very well in the wash bay, while I have the wheel off the car, it would be crazy not to touch this up. It really isn't good enough for a detail. This is a $2,500 detail. I don't think it's good enough. And since I've got the wheel on the car, I can get into the area and do a much better job, much more efficiently. So anytime you have a wheel off a car, get in there and do a really good job of cleaning the wheel arch so that when you have the wheel back on that car, the area around the wheel that you absolutely see looks tidier and the car will present better as a result. Hooroo.